In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rule to move email to different folders in Outlook 365. If your inbox is getting cluttered, rules are a simple way to keep things organized by automatically moving messages where they belong. I'll show you the quick method based on a message you already have, and then the more advanced approach from settings for extra control. We'll also cover when to use run rule now and stop processing more rules so your rules behave exactly the way you expect. Let's start with the quickest way. In your inbox, find a message from the sender you want to organize. Right-click that message, point to Rules, and choose Create Rule. In the window that opens, select the option to move emails from that sender, then pick the folder where you want those emails to go. When you're ready, select OK. From now on, any new email from that sender will be routed directly into the folder you chose, helping you keep your inbox clear without any extra work. If you want more flexibility, use Advanced Rules. Go to Settings, then open Rules, and choose Add New Rule. Give your rule a clear name so you can identify it later. Next, add your conditions. For example, choose from and select the specific sender whose messages you want to manage. Then add your action, select Move to and choose the folder where those messages should land. When everything looks right, save the rule. This approach is great when you want precise control over what triggers the rule and exactly what happens next. 2 optional switches can make a big difference. Run Rule now applies the rule immediately to existing emails that already match your conditions, which is perfect for cleaning up messages you've already received. Stop processing more rules tells Outlook to stop evaluating other rules after this one runs. Turn this on if you want this rule to take priority, ensuring the message won't be moved or changed by rules lower in your list. That's it. Your inbox should now organize itself. Thanks for watching.